What's up guys, and welcome back to Lanika Fashionistic Core channel. Showing you how I create this sugar daddy robe and silky looking mamalicious dress. Ooh. So these are the materials you need for this DIY. Okay, so I use a bodycon dress that I have, so it will be so much easier if you guys have one. That way you can just use it based off the measurements of something that you already have in your closet. Then we are just gonna cut the side of that because we're doing the front piece first and then the back piece, so make sure you separate those. Okay, next you just want to grab a tank top that's in your drawer. I'm sure all you ladies have one, and we are just going to use that to outline the front section of the dress. Okay, make sure you cut only the front section of that piece of fabric that you outline that tank top on. Remember, we're only doing the front piece, not the back piece as yet. Okay, now I'm making sure that both sides are cut similar, so I just place those together and cut it in one. Okay, so I'm just lining up both the front and back piece together, making sure that everything is of equal measurements and lay completely flat. Okay, now we're going to fold over the front piece and cut straight across along the back. So that section that you snip, make sure you cut straight across, connecting to that other snip, and that will be our back section. That's so freaking easy. Okay, so I want my front section to look very sexy and have that deep V cut. So I'm just cutting that V section at the center front much deeper. Okay, after doing that, we just want to put on the dress and do a fitting just to make sure everything is completely fitted to your measurements. But my dress needs to be taken a little more, and the V front needs to go down a bit more for me. Okay, so I'm just pinning the sides of my dress where it needs to be taken in just a bit more. Maybe you guys don't have to do this section, maybe you do, but make sure you pin it where you'll be starting. And I'm just cutting the center front of the dress much deeper for that V section. Now we want to measure the length of our strap. So to do the strap, we're just going to measure the length of it and cut it from a piece of fabric. Okay, so because we're doing two straps, we're just going to cut that into and we have our 2 pieces of fabric, then we're going to fold one in half and then just stitch straight down with. After doing that, we're just going to take a pin and latch that on and push it inside and flip that over onto the right side. You just got to push it in and flip it over, guys. Pretty easy. And that's how you create your strap. Okay, so the next step is to finish the raw edge of our dress. So you're just going to fold it over and stitch. Simple as that. So we're going to do that for the top section and for the hem of the dress. Now we're going to sew our straps on. So we're going to just pin that to the front section of our dress. And then we're going to do that for the back section. Make sure the strap is the perfect length for your body height. Okay, now our dress is complete. Next is the robe time. Okay, so cut the center front of your sweater. Then you're going to need a thread, sewing thread, and a color matching needle to sew that fur on. Okay, so we have completed the front of our robe already. Now it's time to do the sleeve and the hem. So you just want to repeat the same process. Sew through that little bump section between the fur onto the fabric. Okay guys, reminder, make sure you get 3 yards of fur instead of 2, because I got 2 and I wasn't able to finish the hem with the remaining piece, but it still turned out pretty looking hot to me. And we're finished. OMG. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. And remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you guys so much for your love. And I get this channel to, my aim is to get it to 2,000 subscribers. So please, it would really mean so much to me if you hit that subscribe and like button, and please comment. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Is there anything else you'd like to see me do, a challenge you'd like me to try, any sewing challenge or anything? I'm open for anything. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.